तिकडून नको रस्त्यात मग आता इकडे पुढे जाऊन
जोरों शोरों से चल रही है तैयारी. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. सो हम लोग जाने वाले हैं मेजर कैंप. उठ गए और रेडी हो चुके हैं. 9 बजे का है सेशन. सो मेजर कैंप में वीडियो कंटिन्यू करते हैं. गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
सो हम लोग जा रहे हैं
मेजर कैंप इंडिया.
yes to Radisson Blue. So we are waiting for our Ola Rapido. So वो आ रहा है. So see you at measure camp. मेजर कैंप दिल्ली. ये देखो आ रहे हमारे मेंबर्स. हम लोग का मेजर कैंप विल बी देयर ऑन सेकेंड फ्लोर. सो हम लोग आ चुके हैं मेजर कैंप के लिए रेडिसन ब्लू. सो यू कैन सी दिस. वाओ. सो नियर बाय एवरीथिंग इज गुड. वेदर इज गुड. ठंड है थोड़ी सी अच्छी खासी. सो वी आर ऑन द वे. हाय.
हाय.
अरे माइक के साथ मस्ती.
हेलो मैम.
हेलो.
ना डिसेंट
सिखाना पड़ता है.
क्या.
डिसेंट.
अरे फर्स्ट. सो ऑन द वे टू मेजर कैंप. एंड यहाँ पे कुछ बोर्ड्स लगे हुए हैं. क्या. यस. Measure Camp Delhi. What is this? Think you can decode data, spot the analytics terms. So आप इसको देखो. आप लोग भी कमेंट में डाल देना क्या क्या एग्जैक्ट टर्म्स है इसमें. एंड जस्ट कमेंट कर देना. Then we have certain boards. So each. Hi. So here you can see a lot of people have come. Photographer भी है. And यहाँ catering सर्विसेज भी चालू हो चुकी है. Your registration booth. You can see the registration booth. Everyone is working. Here's the photographer. So यहाँ सब लोग arrangements चल रही है. You can see your guys have come now. मैं चली हमारे समर्थ एनालिटिक्स के मेंबर्स के पास. सो ये सेल्फी की बात हो रही है. सेल्फी चालू ही नहीं है भाई साहब की. यहाँ हमारे स्वप्निल सर. स्वप्निल सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. एक्साइटेड.
सो आर यू रेडी.
यस आई एम रेडी.
कुछ इश्यूज हो गए हैं मेरे स्वप्निल सर के साथ. बोलो.
लाइट नहीं चल रहा है ना कुछ है ना. बोर्ड का भी प्रॉब्लम हो गया है स्टैंडिस का. तो देखते हैं
क्या क्या हुआ. प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ है वो.
स्टैंडिस गलत आ गई और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है अभी.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है.
नहीं है वहाँ पे बोर्ड पे एक ही एक्सटेंशन है और वहाँ पे लाइट नहीं है.
ओ तेरी. फिर अभी ये नहीं चालू होगा.
ये चालू होगा बट आफ्टर 1.5 आवर.
बोल.
नहीं वो चालू होगा 1-1.5 घंटे बाद.
1-1.5 घंटे बाद. तो 1-1.5 घंटे बाद स्वप्निल सर ये सब करेंगे. एंड यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं स्टेप सर्वर साइट ट्रैकिंग. कैन सी स्टेप इज एट मेजर कैंप. So they are also setting up everything. How excited are you for measure camp.
So excited. Yeah, in India especially the first time. That's why pretty excited and pretty busy already.
So all the things are done now.
Yeah, almost done. Just need to turn on the video and yeah, we are done. Ready for measure camp.
So how are you.
Yeah, doing great. Just second those thoughts, just getting ready, and yeah, I think it's going to be a great event.
Nice to see you at Measure Camp, India. So, guys, this is
Abhishek. Abhishek.
Abhishek, and he is handling end to end everything of Measure Camp.
No, but she's our creative head. She helped us a lot. Like banner at 3 p.m. is something which I always appreciate, and she's a very good thinker. Like
Yes.
hats off. You can see all the banners and everything. So she's the only one who take care of it.
So I will have a look of all the banners and whatever I have created one by one. So
It was all good. It was all good. So
apart,
if
apart from banners, tell me about my Measure Camp.
okay about Measure Camp, so it's happening first time in India, and the Sun Conference pattern is something which we are looking forward as the more chapters to come forward, correct. And the next which I am expecting is like all the major 4 cities of India should at least have a Measure Camp in the next 1 year, so that we would be pan across India. And we believe in unity in diversity, and that's had
That's
to
our that's our
tagline.
tagline.
And we do believe in diversity in technology also. All are coming
Absolutely.
at a Measure Camp, so that's something the
That's
only.
from Abhishek.
Yeah,
Thank you, Abhishek.
thank you.
And symmetric vibes as well. So this banner is also designed by me. This one of the banner. So here you can see Samarth Analytics का board. This is also designed by me. बस इसको क्या बोलते हैं लास्ट में थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस करके या CDR फाइल में कन्वर्ट करना वो उन्होंने किया प्रिंट वालों ने स्पेंडिंग हम सिर्फ रखड़ रहे इधर
हाँ ऐसे ही खड़े ऐसी मैम की कृपा से
So this is registration booth and hi.
Hello. Oh my god, this is awkward. But yeah, hi, I'm Anshika, and this journey started like almost 1.5 years back when I visited Measure Camp London, and that's when I thought that this is something I want in India, and that's how the conversation stirred, and we are here.
Thank you, Anshika. So here back to registration. So guys, these many ideas are there. Whoa. कहाँ बोलता है बाहर काढ़ा मैंने डिजिटल मशरूम क्या बोल दिया इन लोगों ने बोला समर्थ एनालिटिक्स से नहीं है करके
नहीं ये लोग ये उधर के लोग हैं
उधर के किधर के हैं
दूसरे
भाई?
पक्ष के लोग हैं
दूसरे पक्ष के कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं रहे मैं तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में हूँ ये लोग एनालिटिक्स में है ना सो विल यू बी माय पर्सनल पी है सैलरी की बात हो रही है समर्थ एनालिटिक्स से ले लेना
उधर से भी डंडे और इधर से भी डंडे
तुम सबने RSVP किया ना I also RSVP
ओके
कि मतलब मेरा नाम
यू आर स्पेशल वन
I RSVP
शी इज अ स्पेशल वन डू यू नो दैट
आई विल चेक द
इनका
पीडीएफ
नाम था इनका नाम था आपका नाम था
I'm the special one.
शी इज द स्पेशल वन फॉर अस क्या कमेंट समर्थ एनालिटिक्स बिल्कुल स्टेप के बाजू में बाय गॉड सो हमारी टीम देखो यहाँ पे टीम मेंबर्स गाइस लुक हियर स्वप्निल ये डिजाइन भी मेरा ही है दिस फोटो बूथ heading towards cafeteria we'll have some food mostly the coffee chai so here you can see breakfast is there nashta time guys so अभी हम लोग अंदर जा रहे हैं just look at this place So here you can see Measure Camp, and this is ready inauguration. And this design ये भी मैंने किया है भाई साहब. मुझे कमेंट में डाल देना हाउ इज माय डिजाइन्स सो फार. ये भी मेरा डिजाइन है.
There's no boss. Great. So,
Material from Poland is here, so please do join us for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Dan, please come with. Okay.
Oh, great. And we also have our gold level sponsors. Please do come from Metric Funds. Anuj, we've been waiting for you. And our silver sponsors, we're welcoming Swapnil from Summit Analytics. Thank you. So we'll just start the lamp lighting ceremony.
Ask them to remove their shoes. They don't know.
Has grown into the worldwide movement, connecting thousands of learners across continents. And yeah, I'll be walking around and checking who is down here. My eyes are on you.
Government fans were better chance. You know, I'm really sorry. I'm happy that died. I really want to be. I just want to share with you guys. Like, welcome.
What happens when we pass it to the team, different teams? It's usually
If you don't have any slides, if you have just idea in mind, please run the session. So I encourage everyone to let the talk happen, let the chaos be there. Do not try to control anything. And what comes out is very pure and considerate. And that is what we
Hello.
Hello.
I think everyone is excited for today's program. Share their knowledge by writing that session board, and I would like to hear from the people what challenges they are facing and what new things they are doing in the data analytics field, and they want to share with the group and the community so that people can use that techniques, those knowledge, and solve their problems so that they can grow their knowledge and take something new from this conference and share with their teams, those who are unable to attend this. Discuss about the GTM workflow automation completely. So how we can automate our regular tasks or the recurring tasks where we face a challenge while creating the tags, triggers and the variables in the GTM container. Let's say a new client is onboarded and then we have to come up with a measurement plan for it as a variable if you're setting a GA4 tag. Okay? So I've been working in this industry since last 10 years. So when the GTM was launched in 2016, I started using it. 2016, 2017.
Track that visit session. That is a server.
15 to 20 tags of GA4 to be created in GTM, which is actually a task of 3 to 4 hours. Right.
Then, what kind of pages the user will get? So you would typically tag your app website pages with different
Full 5 hours in creating the tag language. So it's completely 8 to 9 hours task.
for an enterprise paid version, go for the cheaper tools.
So we have all the APIs connected here, and list what you are working with. All the clients list you can see here once you log into the account. If I go with an account, you can select a container. So it will fetch all the data what is connected present in the container. Here you can select a workspace or you can create a new. because anyway we usually create a new workspace when we come up with any new tracking setup, so that the old setup is already in present, it should
branch, all of them will do the migration for
so that which we usually create for a client, which we share with the client and get the approval to set up the tracking. So this is a sample which we have already put into the tool. So we have a mechanism where we don't create a duplicate variables.
Implementation, because whenever like we require any third party implementation and also if we have predefined templates, it's just with one click we are like setting up everything.
Yeah.
That's I do have few questions with this. First of all, when you mentioned like we are tracking form clicks and forms of
The Python library we are using currently, which is visiting the website, it is scrapping the website, it's bypassing through an API calls, and we are
other internet tools for unique campaigns and other campaigns. Then we do data. So as I told you that there are campaigns going on like LinkedIn campaigns and email campaigns. So for that we get the reports from the tool in raw format.
You pull the CSV from the ad platforms and put it together in Excel or Google Sheets.
okay. Any other platform that you are using, because data is silos, it is different places. Like marketing data stores, Google Ads data is stored in Google Ads. You can bring to BigQuery. Similarly, GeoFo can
Import the data, export the data from different sources. Like we have 5 advertising channels. Use the Google Sheet formula. You can clean the data, and we create master sheet. In the master sheet, we have all the data based.
because now data is coming from 5 to 6 different platforms. So when it gets sum up, sometimes it might show, because API call will hit and it will bring the data, and in that connection if we lost something, then we need to check or we need to reconnect the platforms to make. When it comes to an unbiased reporting, obviously team will ask them that we are putting $10,000 and you are giving us the X amount.
सो अभी स्वप्निल का हो चुका है दोनों सेशन, GTM AI ऑटोमेटर एंड funnel.io का. सो दीज आर सम क्वेश्चंस, इसमें से काफी सारे क्वेश्चन नीचे गिर गए स्टिकी नोट्स के. सो वो एक है. देन दिस इज द GTM AI automator where we can track everything faster and cleaner. So we just need to add some prompt. AI will work and अकॉर्डिंग टू कंटेनर में जाके जो भी तुम्हें रिपोर्ट बनाना है, QA रिपोर्ट, दैट विल बी मेड. सो वर्क फ्लो एकदम सिंपल है, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट एंड यू कैन स्कैन दिस पर्टिकुलर QR कोड. वहाँ पे हमने अपडेट कर दिया है GTM AI ऑटोमेटर को. ए बीच में आ गया, ये देखो, ये बीच में.
Hello. I am a big fan of you, ma'am.
Why?
I literally see all your vlogs on YouTube, and it is very good. It gives me it gives me proper knowledge of GTM AI automator and everything. Literally, I learn everything from you, ma'am. I am a big fan. Charan Sparsh.
क्या यार, थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो. व्हाट इज GTM AI automator? टेल मी. You guys have created it and you are not.
Sir, we have created it, ma'am, but basically it is not. Means what we can say.
अरे हिंदी में बोल, मराठी में बोल.
अरे हाँ, मैं ये बता रहा हूँ, इससे आपके जो टास्क है ना, वो जल्दी खत्म हो सकते हैं. लिटरली एक वेबसाइट है पर्टिकुलर, उस वेबसाइट को क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको लिटरली 3 से 4 घंटे लगते हैं. इसके वजह से वो जो टाइम स्पेस है वो आपका पूरा बच जाएगा. इट विल टेक नियरली 1 hour टू क्रिएट अ वेबसाइट विद डॉक्यूमेंट, विद टैग, विद ट्रिगर्स एंड एवरीथिंग.
तो चलो सब देखते हैं कौन कौन थे जिन्होंने GTM AI ऑटोमेटर, जितने भी लोगों ने GTM AI ऑटोमेटर बनाया उन सबको मिलते हैं. स्वप्निल कहाँ जा रहे हो? आ जाओ इधर. So these 4 guys, this Swapnil, Jaykar.
Yes, hello.
So GTM AI ऑटोमेटर के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ.
So we come up with a plan कि लोगों का जो मैनुअल टास्क का जो ये होता है तो उसको कैसे कम करें, and we can get the tax triggers created with the less time, putting the less efforts, and get everything automated so that people can focus on their main work.
Okay, great. So session कैसा रहा?
Session was wonderful, and yeah, people actually interacted with us and they liked the concept, and they are going to now sign up with the beta version, and we'll definitely have it launched at least in the next week, so the people can start using it with a free what do you say, without any cost. So it will be a free tool for.
सो कैसे इसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं तब तक के लिए?
So you can scan the QR code which is present at our booth, and you can have the link directly available.
यार यूट्यूबर्स यार वो ब्यूथ पे नहीं है यार, क्या कर सकते हैं उनको, वो लोग कैसे भेजेंगे, बोलो क्या करना है?
So we'll put the QR code in the video and you can just scan it.
वीडियो में डालना है कि डिस्क्रिप्शन में?
Description में we can't put the QR, but we can put the link of the URL.
मेरे यूट्यूबर्स के लिए क्या प्रोमो कोड दोगे?
So it's free access. You can access it freely. You will have the access for 1 month without any cost.
ओके, और उसके बाद?
Then we can think, if you give good feedback and the suggestions, we'll try to give more free access.
सो बेसिकली जब ये तुम पहले 1 महीना फ्री ट्रायल लो, उसके बाद ये डिसाइड करेंगे कि कितना प्रोमो कोड देना है कि नहीं. सो इनके टीम के बारे में भी तो बोलो यार, टीम ने कितनी मेहनत की है उसके बारे में बोलो. टेल मी अबाउट योर टीम. आओ तुम लोग गाइस. अरे
Take a shot of the team.
take a shot of team, that's it. You guys have created na.
In the bio. As much our
दिल्ली मध्ये आला आणि आम्ही बोलतो हे.
ऐकून नसतं घेतलं.
खाली थाली. गाइस ये भी मेरा डिजाइन है, देख ही सकते हो, बढ़िया है ना. So hi Anuj, so you are representing Metric Vibes, right?
Yep.
So tell me something about Metric Vibes.
So basically, we are a data analytics company, and we have been working with clients globally to solve their data problems, specifically into MarTech implementation. So I've been into data analytics for around 10 years. Have solved, like, worked on most MarTech related problems, and yeah, we have been now solving them for last 2.5 years for our clients globally.
So what is your QR code about? Can you tell me?
So basically, okay, most of our clients always, when they come to us, they think that our data is very clean. We have the best data instrumentation, and no one knows better than us. So this 5-minute health challenge is a challenge to all those companies. Like, scan the QR code, answer a few simple questions, and it will give you a report of how well your data is doing. If you get a 100 score, we give you a goodies from our end, and we make a case study out of it. If not, we set up a 15-minute call to give you the real picture of how messy your data is and how you can fix that.
And how is Measure Camp so far for you?
I mean, this is a dream come true moment for me, because I've been hearing about Measure Camp for so long, and to finally organize it, for it to happen in my own country, this feels like a dream come true. I'm so excited. The sessions are so relevant, so enthusiastic, and the board is really filled up now. Like, I don't have place to put on my sessions anymore.
Have now one session.
Yeah, I have one session. I'll be talking about how bot traffic works in GA4, how you can filter it, and a lot of our clients used to struggle with this challenge. So yeah, I'm going to take that.
Thank you, Anuj. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Neha.
So this is Anuj का डेस्क. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो सब लोग हैं, उनके टीम मेंबर्स. So Metric Vibes is a gold sponsor, and our Samarth Analytics is a silver sponsor. Step is a platinum sponsor. So they might have gone for some break. So guys, we have Shibendu here. So Shibendu will tell me about what is Measure Camp to you right now, and how it has been for you as an organizer.
So this is one of the wonderful events that, like, we've been able to see in India, because this is the first time we are having Measure Camp in Delhi, and that to bring an international unconference to the Delhi, to bring the concept of unconference to Delhi was almost new. So was as an organizer, it was very difficult because we need to first educate people about MeasureCamp, what MeasureCamp is in store for all of us, and then how we can improvise the analytics platform further. So I'm very glad we are seeing a lot of people coming, a lot of people are getting engaged. We have a lot of speakers who have so diverse topics to present, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful because we are doing this for the first time, and we hope to see these executions coming in the years to come as well. Thanks everyone.
थैंक यू शिवेंद्र सर, थैंक यू सो मच। हम लोग जस्ट लंच किए, सबकी बैटरी डाउन हो चुकी है, देख सकते हो, सबके सब थक चुके हैं। एंड यहाँ पे स्टेप है एग्जैक्ट बाजू में, आप देख सकते हो। सो दे हैव सम कन्वर्जेशन गोइंग ऑन। एंड अभी तक मैंने कुछ कुछ लोगों के वीडियोस निकाले, बट स्टिल आई डिड नॉट शेयर माई कार्ड्स येट, विजिटिंग कार्ड्स। भाई पता नहीं, हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही है। अभी जैसे सेशंस खत्म हो जाएंगे, टी ब्रेक रहेगा, दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन वी कैन डू द नेटवर्किंग। सो ये लोग समर्थ एनालिटिक्स के विजिटिंग कार्ड बांटेंगे, मैं मेरा पता नहीं, मेरे में इंट्रोवर्ट जो है वो चला जाए, उसके बाद मैं बांटूंगी। तब तक सेशन खत्म हो जाएगा। सब खत्म हो जाएगा। तो स्वप्निल यहाँ पे बात कर रहा है डांस से, स्टेप का स्पॉन्सर। सो ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग अबाउट GTM AI ऑटोमेटर। सो यहाँ पे मेरा माइक्रोफोन का बैटरी शायद डाउन हो गया था, दैट्स वाई कोई भी आवाज़ रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो पाया। सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे अनाउंस किया जा रहा है कि क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी के बारे में, प्लस दे आर थैंकिंग ऑल द स्पॉन्सर्स, प्लैटिनम, गोल्ड एंड एज वेल एज सिल्वर स्पॉन्सर, जिन्होंने ये MeasureCamp को बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल कर दिया था। सो उसके अनाउंसमेंट की बात हो रही है, एंड उनको ऑन स्टेज एंड प्लस सारे स्पीकर्स को भी ऑन स्टेज बुलाया जा रहा है वन बाय वन। सो ईच एंड एवरी स्पीकर्स जिन्होंने सेशंस कंडक्ट किए थे, उनको थैंक यू बोला जा रहा है। सो वन बाय वन एवरीवन इज़ कमिंग ऑन स्टेज and they will be given some goodies and as an appreciation. And yes, this was the amazing MeasureCamp that has happened in Delhi on 8th of November, and this was the best one so far. I could not take the videos of all speakers at all because मैं स्वप्निल के साथ ही वीडियो उनका शूट कर रही थी, and then later on मैं भी exhaust हो गई थी, so I could not take all the details. And now you can see these sponsors. सब लोग जा रहे हैं, एंड ऑफ द सेशन। सो यहाँ पे चाय नाश्ता चल रहा है, सब लोग चाय नाश्ता कर रहे हैं। क्या हुआ?
ओ हेलो गाइस,
काय झालंय?
हम स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं और हम ही लाइन में खड़े हैं, ये गलत।
सब लोग थके हुए हैं ना तुम लोग? वीडियो है ये। अच्छा। यूट्यूब पे आओगे सब लोग? चलेगा यूट्यूब पे लाऊंगी तो? या